Okay, let's go. So भाई, you tell me intro देना जरूरी है या नहीं? तो बता.
देना तो ज़रूरी है। पहली बार लोग हमको मिलने वाले हैं, तो
Let's
देना
let's
तो
go.
ज़रूरी है।
बता. Like let's start with you, then I'll.
ठीक है। माय नेम इज़ अलाइजा कोशी। आई एम अ काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड वेंकटेश।
So yeah, basically मैं भी psychologist हूँ. My name is Venkatesh. Uh, फिलहाल के लिए तो it's just we are working here and there. Just thought of starting something new, the Shrink Show. I hope we'll get the support that we think of.
या
But देखते हैं. आज का टॉपिक क्या होने वाला है लाइक? What should we discuss first?
आज का टॉपिक हम लोग इंट्रो रख सकते हैं एंड वी कैन टॉक अबाउट मैन इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी एज वी आर मैन इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइकोलॉजी which is a rare case I'm guessing.
बट भाई देखना मतलब ठीक है लाइक रेयर केस ये इसी को लेके एक आता है लाइक सो how do you go about it like first thing first I do understand we will come कि like what made you choose psychology and everything but like how do you react to this thing now like कि when people tend to meet us there's always this thing on their face कि भाई like are you a psychologist for sure and like this question कि what made you choose psychology.
Yeah.
So how do you react to that, if I may ask?
आई डोंट एक तो मेंटल हेल्थ फील्ड का एक डिफरेंट स्टीरियोटाइप है
Okay.
when you're a psychologist,
Hmm.
but then when you're a man in the field of psychology is so different stereotype altogether that we deal with. So
But
I'm
like if I may ask like how is your take on it मतलब तू कैसा रखता है for an example अगर किसी ने तुझे पूछा कि like what made you choose this field Elijah, so how what's your answer to it?
my answer to it is कि ये तो मैं हमेशा करते आ रहा
हमेशा
हूँ।
करता
Yeah, I am always been listening to people,
है
giving
okay.
them the support that they need and all that, so this felt natural to me.
So
मतलब मेरे लिए कभी अवेयरनेस था ही नहीं कि ऐसे कोई फील्ड है। लड़कों को हमेशा साइंस फील्ड में लगा पुश कर लेते हैं कि डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, तो वही चल रहा था मेरा। बट देन लेटर ऑन थ्रू करियर काउंसलिंग आई गॉट टू नो दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी। ऐसे करके एक फील्ड भी रहता है जहाँ माई एबिलिटीज कैन बी यूज बेटर।
so basically it's a field where you get paid for being kind and
यस।
listen.
पेड फॉर बीइंग माई सेल्फ।
Myself, oh that's a good one though but like so if I talk about myself like कि मेरा जो सीन रहता है कि it's always one or the other way. पहली बात so it's not like what made me choose like कि men and everything in this field. First of all अगर मैं through the theories and everything that we have learned अगर मैं उसकी तरफ देखूँ तो it's more or less like कि like most of them are men no. फ्रॉइड हो गया like sorry फ्रॉइड यू फिर उसके बाद एडलर. There are many more like if I have to say the whole behavioral perspectives or the paradigm जो भी हम बोलते हैं उसको it's totally dominated by men. हाँ बाद में there are different female psychologists as well but I would say the theories that we really corely learn mostly तू बता ना कि it's more or less like कि it's going to be about the same thing कि जैसे फ्रॉइड की थियोरी हो गई साइको एनालिसिस में. उसके बाद यूंग हो गया फिर उसके बाद एडलर हो गया. दीज आर द मेन वंस आई वुड से. उसके बाद जो भी आते हैं फिर वो आते हैं
वो तो आते ही है।
लाइक ठीक है बट लाइक कमिंग बैक इट्स फाइन लाइक कि वो पर्सपेक्टिव थ्रू आउट द टाइम बन चुका है लाइक विद साइकोलॉजी की इट्स अ फीमेल डोमिनेटेड फील्ड. तू क्या कर रहा है इस फील्ड में बट इवन फॉर इन माई केस आई वुड से कि जैसे हुआ था थ्रू आउट द टाइम बहुत घटिया लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू मी माय चाइल्डहुड इट वाज द मोस्ट बिजार वन आई वुड से. और जिस हिसाब से मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ थ्रू आउट द टाइम आई हैव बीन थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ शिट. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक यू काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ डायग्नोस योरसेल्फ.
या
सो उस टाइम पे आई जनरली फील दैट कि जैसी मेरी हरकतें थी एंड इवन फॉर एन एग्जांपल अभी भी for me it is I get sometimes I get really lost, sometimes I'm very excited about things and like sometimes I'm very hyper focused. So वो सेल्फ डायग्नोसिस होता है तो कभी कभी लगता है कि भाई तो कहीं एडीएचडी तो नहीं होगा. Like how about you would you like to tell like would you like to share the things that you have been through since your childhood like because तूने we know each other so if you
yeah.
would.
So my case is like I I went to a very good school that had a good department of counselors and school psychologist and everything. So मेरा problem था in first standard. I was I was detected with learning difficulty by
Okay.
my school counselor, and उन्होंने further testing के लिए recommend वगैरह किया था मेरे parents को, and I got tested with dyslexia,
Oh, I see.
and I was having problems in my academics and all that, but this was the reason वो डिटेक्ट कर पाई only the school counselor. So I'm very grateful to the field, because without them तो my parents would have probably thought I'm just lazy, my teachers would have thought I'm just lazy, I'm not studying, and things like that. But the importance of this is very important, and this happened way before the film तारे ज़मीन पर came
Uh,
out. So
so
तारे ज़मीन
you are
पर
the
बाद तो awareness आने लगा, उसके पहले तो नहीं था.
so मतलब तू असली ईशान अवस्थी है तुझे ये
Yes,
पता
I am the real Ishan Avasthi.
है the thing like कि how was it for you like because I remember मुझे तेरा नहीं पता but like the time I got into bachelor's so for me it was like the time I chose psychology as my specialization so there were I guess मुझे पकड़ के ना चार लड़के थे उस क्लासरूम में जिसमें से दो लोग पर्टिकुलरली आते थे और एक बंदा नहीं आता था so like what was it like for an example like not what was it like how was it for you
भाई तू लकी है भाई, तेरा चार थे, मेरा उससे आधा था. It was me and one other guy, and that other guy never came to college only, so it was me alone. मेरे को कभी कभी ऐसे लगता था गलती से मैं वुमेन्स वॉशरूम में एंटर कर लिया हूँ.
the fuck bro
एंटर करता हूँ सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं और सब देख रहे हैं मेरे और तू क्यों यहाँ पे है, जैसे कि आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू बी हियर.
भाई सेम like कि एक इंसिडेंट है मैं तेरे साथ शेयर करूंगा like I've never told you this so क्या हुआ था कि it was like I guess या सेकेंड ईयर का फर्स्ट सेम था एंड so most of my boys gang no so वो इकोनॉमिक्स वाले थे एंड वैसे भी वो उनका आना तो था ही नहीं कॉलेज में and so for me it was like कि I need to learn the theories and the first time in my life I found something that was of my interest पढ़ाई वगैरह इट वाज नेवर माय कप ऑफ टी मैं आज तक बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मतलब खत्म हो जाते थे कि लाइक ये बंदा पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहा इट वाज दैट काइंड ऑफ शिट बट लाइक साइकोलॉजी वाज समथिंग दैट हैड ऑल माय इंटरेस्ट सो आई रेगुलरली यूज्ड टू गो एंड अटेंड ऑल द लेक्चर्स ओके सो उस टाइम पे जब जो इकोनॉमिक्स वाला बैच था ऐसी कुछ एग्जाम चल रही थी जो यूनिट टेस्ट या फिर जो एमसीक्यूज के जैसा कुछ रहता है so it was just happening here and there and I was just going through my own shit like कि theories पढ़ रहा हूँ MCQs आने वाले you never know so one of my friend he just saw me like studying psychology like कि क्यों पढ़ रहा है तू psychology ऐसा and then suddenly he just looks at me and he's like he goes like कि भाई मतलब क्या कर रहा है तू like कि क्यों पढ़ रहा है पेपर किसी और का है and for them it was like कि I have like कि मेरा जो specialization है it is English or maybe economics they had no fucking idea okay कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ and suddenly he just like he looks at me and like मतलब क्या है तेरा specialization तो English है नहीं भाई मैंने psychology लिया मुझे like भाई मतलब जरा आराम से बहुत नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है like भाई मतलब नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है like what do you mean am I going to like do injustice to it but it was whole different perspective like people never believed me being into psychology like they just thought भाई बंदा आ रहा है chill कर रहा है and he would just leave even my parents were like कि ठीक है पढ़ रहा है पढ़ने दो we'll see कि क्या करेगा आगे जाके but the time मतलब slowly in the end मेरे को ऐसा लगता है with the career prospect I sort of वो जो बोलते हैं ना कि बाटली में उतारा है मैंने पेरेंट्स को because I would say that कि they were never open to the idea of me being a psychologist.
Okay.
Because भाई वही जैसे तूने बोला है कि भाई स्टिग्मा है अवेयरनेस वगैरह का जो सीन है वो इतना चुदा पड़ा है तो भैंचो क्या ही करेगी so that's how it is like अभी भी somewhere on some level my parents have developed that understanding but they still want me to like कि go for कि नहीं भाई तू नेट कर ले we want some sort of stability in your life but first like get your net done but I'm happy what I'm doing I would say that as a psychologist so how about you like तेरा कैसा scene
My scene was that I was also going into, like in my bachelor's, I was going into it like with an open mind. I
Yeah.
was not aware of psychology and all that much. I was like, let's give it a shot.
Okay.
If it doesn't work out, I'll switch my field. So I gave it a shot because all I was ever told was about science. I was preparing for JEE mains and
Fuck.
all those things. So I was like, well, all of that is not working out. Science is not for me. And it was took some time to convince my parents to, go this route. बिकॉज मेरे खानदान में सारे आइदर दे आर
तूने बताया
इंजीनियर्स या डॉक्टर्स या कॉमर्स की फील्ड में आर्किटेक्ट्स है या दिस इज लाइक completely different. So for me it was like the way, but after first year I started gaining more interest in the field. I was doing well in my in my bachelor's also, so all of that motivated me to continue. Then I realized when I started doing internships and all that, I'm actually good at it when I practice. It's not just theoretical knowledge. It
yes
is practice also is very important. जो बहुत lacking है हमारे ये या Indian education में with in terms of psychology.
like तू जब ये बताया ना कि like lacking with the practice under a good supervisor or something of that sort, मतलब जो एक अच्छा mentor मिले,
Yeah.
I understand like, और we'll have a proper talk on this as well. Like मेरा और एक मुद्दा है कि like internships
अरे
जिसके लिए पैसा भरना पड़ता है,
oh
भैंचोद
wow.
भाई उसका तो अलग ही मुद्दा है. We might get cancelled for it, bro.
Yeah. Paid internships.
Paid internship. We might
Not in the way we wanted.
we wanted. वो इधर से उधर जा रहा है, उधर से इधर नहीं आ रहा.
कभी नहीं आता है.
But ठीक है. And like I really wanted to know one more thing, Raja. So how was it for you to kind of like put your perspective, like कि without being judged, because see मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, of course there were see यार, be open about it कि मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि most of the time, जैसे तूने बोला, हम लोग 4 लौंडे थे. There were like 36-38 students in our class, जिसमें से हम 4 लौंडे थे. उसमें से सिर्फ हम दोनों जाते थे. हम दो लोग जाते थे. So अगर मैं तुझसे पूछूं कि were you open enough to keep your perspectives, because psychology is something that is a lot about learning through discussions, examples, explanations and experiences. So the teachers would, like the professors would share their experiences. They would
Yeah.
ask for hours, and that's how the class would like continue.
Yeah.
So how was it? Was it were you
No,
comfortable?
not in the start. Start में I used to be a backbencher, I used to quietly come to class, attend all the lectures and leave without, doubts नहीं पूछता था, कुछ समझ में आते थे जो भी है. And because like bachelor's is easier, right? उतना भी load नहीं रहता है in
I see.
terms of stuff. So I used to come, I used to, listen to all the lectures, I used to leave without anyone noticing. It is when exams came around, एग्जाम्स के बाद जब मार्क्स आने लगे और ये कौन है जो अच्छे मार्क्स लेके आ रहा है, अच्छा ये
This
and
guy.
that too also a guy, because there was an image in my college, at least for guys were not very into studying.
भाई तेरा कॉलेज मुझे पता है. I know your college.
not very into studying. So I was like, a very rare case that came in, into the college. And then professors started noticing me more after marks. And it's always that way. Marks gets you noticed in this,
Yeah, no doubt.
in this
भाई, no doubt.
education in India.
No doubt. Like जैसे तूने बताया ना कि to carry on, like पहले more or less like होता था थोड़ा like कि again कि जैसे मतलब how to put it right, I don't know, like fuck it, जो होगा देखा जाएगा भाई. अभी देख, जैसे जो भी है ना, like लड़कियां ज़्यादा थी भाई क्लास में, no doubt, जिसमें से I would say lucky enough to get like handful of people जिनके साथ I could like sit chill without being judged. I can be myself. So ये सारी चीज़ें थी. And like one way or another कि अगर कुछ ऐसा होता था ना, so there was this friend of mine. So mostly I used to sit next to her. अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ बोलूँ कि okay, like I feel this is this thing, so they would push me कि बात कर. There's nothing wrong in it. You're keeping your perspective. Beginning में I did get a lot of hate, like in the beginning, but I would say the professors that were there, they were open to it rather than the students, the perspectives that I had to put forward and everything. And like जैसे तुझे मैं बता रहा था ना कि throughout the time मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि whoever it is यार भाई, मेरे को I feel that कि अगर तेरा पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा भी अगर मैच नहीं करता ना, सो वो थोड़ा जो एक रैशनल थॉट है कि हाँ भाई कि ही हैज हिज ओन वैल्यूज, हिज ओन आइडियाज, खुद का कुछ रहेगा उसका थॉट प्रोसेस, वो आने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. व्हेन यू आर इन बैचलर्स, जहाँ पे इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स कि तुम किसको सुन रहे हो, तुम क्या देख रहे हो, एंड हाउ डू यू वांट योर आइडियोलॉजीज एंड पर्सपेक्टिव टू बी शेप्ड. सो बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ था कि आई हैव ट्रिगर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द क्लासरूम, अ लॉट. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स. शुरू में इट वाज लाइक दैट, बट लाइक जैसे गोइंग फॉरवर्ड जब चीज़ें अच्छे से होने लगी, then the classroom environment changed and things were better. Of course, वो जो fuck all politics जो चलता है classrooms में, being like favorite to the teachers and everything. Luckily मेरा ऐसा था कि maybe through my regular attendance I would say, or maybe like मतलब like कि I used to participate. I used to participate in conversations and the things or any sort of debates, or maybe तो arguments भी बोल देगा ना, मैं फिर भी चलेगा, जो होती थी क्लासरूम में. मैं उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करता था कि लाइक ठीक है, वट एवर इट इज, आई कीप अ होल डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स इट, बट मैं करता था. सो आई थॉट, आई पर्सनली थिंक कि दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग थ्रू आउट द टाइम. और मेरा यही मानना है कि I genuinely don't know about the other fields, but if you have taken psychology, okay, as your career, participate. Participate in every fucking thing that is happening in the classroom. Keep your perspective. ठीक है, शुरू में you might have that problem कि यार, like of course the feeling is valid, okay, the emotions are valid कि okay, I'm a bit anxious, what if I'm being judged for what I'm saying. भाई ऐसे ना वैसे भैंचो जिसको जज करना है वो करने वाला है, बट एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू कीप योर पर्सपेक्टिव्स देयर. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. सो उसके वजह से तुम्हारा लर्निंग बढ़ रहा है, बट इफ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर्स, यू आर जस्ट स्टेइंग इन योर ओन लाइक कंफर्ट जोन. तो वो ब्रेक ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड? सो मेरे को वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लगा. दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड मूविंग धीरे धीरे. एंड इवन विद द लैंग्वेज आई स्टिल फील some other time I fumble a lot. Even with the language and everything, I personally feel the personality that I have got, it is through my bachelor's college. जो 3 साल में मुझे जो बनाया ना, I'm really grateful for the college. To be honest. बाकी और कुछ you want to ask?
नहीं, वही I was saying that I noticed that like we did masters together,
Yeah.
right? So
Two
from this,
fucking years,
Two-
bro. Those 2 fucking
2
years.
years
2
of
years,
COVID and masters.
भाई ऐसा लगता है, सॉरी बट तेरे को पता है क्या कि मतलब सॉरी टू कट इन बिटवीन, बट लाइक दोस वर 2 अमेजिंग इयर्स. बहुत कुछ हुआ ना बहनचोद उन 2 सालों में.
A lot happened, even though it was online classes for more than half of it. A lot happened in those 2 years.
a lot बहनचोद, like a lot. but like किसी का नाम नहीं लेंगे, बट भाई तुझे ऐसा लगता है क्या कि जो अपना जो मास्टर्स वाला बैच था, जेलसी फैक्टर था? मतलब लाइक देख, मैं आई विल बी ओपन, ओके ठीक है, कि इफ आई एम जेलस अबाउट समथिंग, ठीक है बहनचोद, इमोशन से वैलिड है, बट एटलीस्ट मुझे किसी स्टूडेंट या किसी फैकल्टी या किसी मतलब ना ही किसी फ्रेंड की तरफ, आई नेवर हैड दैट एनवी और आई नेवर हैड दैट जेलसी. और मैं तुझे भी जानता हूँ कि बिकॉज वी नो ईच अदर फ्रॉम पास, अभी हो गए 4-5 साल हो गए अपने को. सो मुझे तेरा पता है, आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट.
Yeah.
बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? व्हाट डू यू?
I mean, yeah, there was a very competitive nature in obviously
भाई
masters. तो
कॉम्पिटिटिव नेचर इज डिफरेंट.
competitive nature can get little toxic also. So वही हो रहा था, I think, in our college. But then, I mean, I can't blame it. See, I am not that type who runs behind marks and stuff like that, because almost my entire school life I've been failing a lot. Like, subjects mein, overall be because of my problem I used to fail a lot. It's
Yeah.
only after I came out of like my boards and all, the 10th standard and all, I did well. After that, college and all, I did well. After that, started realizing, okay, I can, be some kind of a topper also. But that was never important to me. That's why I to never cared only what people were jealous of, or my marks or anything. जो होना है होगा types. But
भाई
yeah,
वो अपना पर्सपेक्टिव था ना भाई.
हमारा perspective
वो
है.
अपना पर्सपेक्टिव, मतलब
उनका
जो भी
पर्सपेक्टिव तो इज
भाई,
उनका पर्सपेक्टिव.
like, ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा ये बिचिंग हो रहा है, बट बात होता है भाई, आई डोंट गिव अ फक. बट लाइक तुझे तूने वो देखा था क्या कि भाई they were even like affected by us being in good books of teachers.
Yeah, yeah.
और अपना वैसा कुछ था भी नहीं. The only thing that we used to do is just to participate in the things that were happening in the classroom.
Hmm.
We never asked for that
Yeah,
attention.
yeah.
I never did.
Especially based on what you said before, like in your bachelor's you learned how to participate in.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when masters, that's what I was saying.
हाँ.
In masters I noticed from the starting you were the type who would like always want to share, want to talk, whether it's about your experiences, about your knowledge. सही है या गलत है जो भी है तू बोल देता था. I think that's why you came in the limelight of everyone's eye. Like ये तो बंदा बोलता ही है, हमेशा बोलना ही है इसको.
The, I just don't know रे. मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि one way or another ना, this is something, this field itself has it's made for me. मेरे को ऐसा लगा because
Hmm.
तुझे ऐसा कभी महसूस हुआ है कि देख मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो भी लेक्चर्स चलते थे क्लास में,
Hmm.
and कभी ना कभी ऐसा होता था कि द लेक्चर्स यूज्ड टू बी कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट इज करंटली हैपनिंग इन अ लाइफ.
Hmm.
कोइंसिडेंटली मेरे साथ तो हुआ
Sometimes,
था.
yeah. हाँ, होता है.
समटाइम्स भी हो सकता है.
Hmm.
इवन फॉर नाउ मैं भी एक बता रहा हूँ कि सो आई हैव अ क्लाइंट नाउ जिसका मैं सेशन ले रहा हूँ. सो ही इज आल्सो परस्यूइंग साइकोलॉजी.
Hmm.
सो ही इज लाइक माय क्लाइंट. और जो इसकी अभी ही इज गोइंग थ्रू सम थिंग्स इन हिज लाइफ एंड like you know, God bless him, he's doing really great. He's doing really great, but वो जो बोलता है ना कि सर मोर और लेस लाइक कि जैसे मैं कुछ बात कर रहा हूँ और जो सिखा रहे टीचर्स, आई कुड सी
Hmm.
it's fucking happening in my life.
Hmm.
The defense mechanisms or whatever is happening, the
Hmm.
shadows, the person उसने जो शेयर किया, is like I'm able to relate a lot to it.
Hmm.
So वो भी एक होता था अभी.
Yeah, it's there, no? Like even when, if not what is happening in your life presently, what has already happened in your life, that also gets triggered. Like sometimes lectures can be very triggering also because it brings up stuff from the past, and it is very important to have a good bond with your professor because they are professors in the field of psychology, but they are also qualified to counsel their children. So if you have triggered your student, the student should be able to go to the professor after the lecture to say that, ma'am or sir, this has triggered me and I would like to talk about it, like because
For
I'm not
sure.
feeling good
For
about it.
And we had those kind of professors.
Yes,
I
we had
remember
that.
भाई मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ like you know I'm taking a name like shout out to Megha ma'am.
Hmm.
Like you know, hats off. Like you know, मैं I've literally learned a lot from her. जैसे जो important है ना, मैंने देखा है Elijah कि more importantly, like when you're kind of having that conversation with any client, the most important part is like you know the small gestures that you make,
Hmm.
leaning forward,
Hmm.
making the face gestures and everything, so that the person would feel कि हाँ बहन कि सुन रहा है वो आदमी अपने को
Yeah.
सुन रहा है. So at that point of time मेरे को ऐसा लगता है that I have observed Megha ma'am doing that in her classes as well,
Hmm.
and I have learned it from her.
Hmm.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि it sort of portrays the sense of empathy and belongingness. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि when you can like you know understand the body language that a person is
Yeah.
kind of वो तुम लोग reflect कर रहे हो ना through your
Hmm.
gestures.
Yeah.
So that's what I feel. So we did have a very
Yeah.
amazing
I
professor.
had a good professor even in my bachelor's, even in my master, even in my school. Like I told about my
Yeah,
experience.
yeah.
इन लोगों के बिना I wouldn't be the way I am. Like and it's very important because I've seen so many guys who are not in the field of psychology and who haven't got this kind of compassion, empathy from people because they have not been able to approach. And how they are now, like they're not able to express emotions. They are not very they're not good with their friends. They're not good in their relationships because they don't know how to express. They don't know how to be vulnerable and ask for help, which we have learned because that is how we had to. We had to unlearn all the stereotypes that made us men,
Man,
and we had to learn how to actually be men.
men. वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है यार एलाइजा, जब तू ये बात करता है ना कि what men is actually. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जो तो बोल रहा है कि being in the field ठीक है कि रोना important है, ये सारी चीज़ें,
Hmm.
बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है भाई मैं बचपन से रो रहा हूँ. Like
Hmm.
I've cried from since childhood,
Yeah, yeah.
and that kind of made me more open to the idea जो
Hmm.
जैसे तू बोल रहा है कि पहले जो पर्सपेक्टिव था ना कि men don't cry, बहन चोद क्या
Hmm.
रो रहा है.
Hmm.
So it kind of made me more open to that idea कि नहीं भाई रोना चाहिए, रोना ज़रूरी है.
Hmm.
बट ऐसा नहीं कि भाई तुम इंसान के गांड में घुस जाओ कि नहीं भाई तू रो.
Hmm.
अगर वो रो रहा नहीं फिर भी
Yeah.
नहीं भाई ऐसे कैसे भाई
Yeah,
तू रो.
रो.
नहीं, देख वो भी एक अलग है.
Hmm.
सिर्फ अभी जैसे चलता है कि जो एक मेंस मेंटल हेल्थ डे होता है
Hmm.
मतलब
होता है.
होता है सो उस टाइम पे एक पोस्ट डाल देना कि मैं मैन कैन क्राई, अरे भाई कितना बड़ा स्टेटमेंट हो गया भाई,
Yeah,
मैन कैन बी वल्नरेबल,
yes. It can be
कितना भाई
vulnerable.
कितना बड़ा
Yeah.
स्टेटमेंट हो गया है। तो ठीक है यार, देख स्लोली स्लोली चीज़ें जैसे आगे बढ़ रही है मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है, बट जो था ना कि मेरे घर पे इट्स आई गेस I'm okay with crying. I can cry in front of my father.
Hmm.
My father has cried in front of me.
Hmm.
My brother has cried in front of me.
Hmm.
So it's quite open that way. So मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक comfort था with the cry and everything. Somewhere or the other way मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि just through this field जितने भी जो मेरे close ones है, men I'm talking about,
Yeah.
my the homies or the buddies that I would say. Uh, ठीक है, at the same time of course like it's not always we're going to talk about like कि भाई कैसा लग रहा है तुझे, how are you feeling, कि what made you feel this, ऐसा नहीं है, but after the whole bakchodi and everything is over, they are okay and they are open to share things with her. मुझे नहीं पता भाई, मेरे को ऐसा एक सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट लगता है वो, फॉर मी इट इज, कि भाई कि ये बंदा, हम एक दूसरे को इतनी सारी घटिया घटिया गंदी गंदी गालियां देने के बाद we are able to open up about our shit to each other and we can talk about anything that we want, and I've made them that comfortable with me. So that is, I think it's a sense of achievement for me.
Yeah.
Like how do you feel about it?
I mean, like you said, you know, crying, you have been crying, you know, your entire childhood. I've also been crying, but I never had that space that I could cry in front of my parents or something. I would cry alone. I could cry with my mother maybe once in a while, but I wouldn't feel that, you know, safe. कभी कभी वो निकल के आ जाता था, ऐसे
Okay.
नहीं कि I'll
हाँ.
prepare, I'll go and cry in front of
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
parents, I'll tell them about my day, ये हुआ. I didn't have that. I would give a huge shout out to my boys. I love you guys. I could cry in front of them anytime.
That's actually
I would feel safe doing that. They would never mock me. And they could do the same with
Yeah.
me, you know. That's what built our bond. You know, I know them since my early school days.
हाँ, तूने बताया
Junior
था,
school से
तूने
अभी
बताया था.
तक, we are, you know, they are my boys and
strong
bond. Even though they are not around in India, I can cry in front of them and they can cry in front of me, and you know that's important. Like
भाई, no
that's
doubt.
they are my safe space.
No doubt.
always.
और अपना वो भी है ना भाई कि लाइक कि अभी जैसा है कि वी जस्ट नीड, जो एक है कि ठीक है, वी माइट नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आउट देयर, बट जैसे एक बोलते हैं कि लाइक फॉर एन एग्जांपल टू स्टार्ट समथिंग और टू हैव दैट ट्रस्ट, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू. अभी फॉर मी इट इज लाइक कि मैं जो लाइक मोहित, फिर बाद में तू आता है, लाइक सॉरी बाद में, बट लाइक द थिंग इज कि मोहित इज समवन लाइक हु with whom I can कि भाई जो कुछ भी बात है, लाइक we could keep switching on to emotions. कि हाँ ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा सेंटी सा हो रहा है माहौल, फिर then again we'll start with some बकचोदी and then we can get back to it. So वो एक है उसके साथ. And I personally feel like when it comes to the emotional part, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि I can openly say that कि मैं हूँ थोड़ा बहुत dependent हूँ उस पे, and I'm okay with that, and I'm okay with saying that. So it is that. So do you feel like तेरा जो perspective है about being dependent on boys emotionally, so तुझे क्या लगता है? Do you feel the same way or like you have your own thoughts?
I mean, I can be dependent on my boys, like those boys, because I feel safe with them and I've known them for years also. So like we've grown up together, we've done all stupid stuff together, and now we've seen each other through all our shit, like all heartbreaks and all losses, like actual losses and stuff like that. So we've been there through good times, bad times. So they're like family to me.
Right.
Like I'm an only sibling. I'm the only
you're
child. Sorry, I
you're
don't have any siblings. So for me, they are my actual brothers. Like I consider them my actual brothers. So like how you may have a bond with your younger brother, is how I would have a bond with these people.
That's great. That's great.
I would be there for their families. Their families would be there for me.
Achievement.
Like we have a good that kind of a bond.
No doubt.
So yeah, I am dependent on them in terms of emotions. But yeah, there are people. I'll say other people in my life. I have good friends, but they come and go. These people are constant. Like people come and go. I can be emotional with them in that time period when they are there in my life. But then once they go, I'm able to not feel like I don't have anyone. Because I know at the end of the day, I have my boys.
They're just a text away or maybe a call away. That's
text away or call away.
That's it. वही एक जो है ना, that's what I'm saying. अगर अभी फॉर एन एग्जांपल लाइक लेट्स जस्ट हैव अ बिट ऑफ शिफ्ट, आई वांटेड टू नो कि जैसे एक है कि एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज देयर ओन अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स काउंसलिंग, टुवर्ड्स थेरेपी एंड एवरीथिंग. डू यू फील तू कुछ नया दे रहा है इन दिस फील्ड? डू यू काइंड ऑफ हैव दिस थिंग कि ओके नहीं ठीक है, द काउंसलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर, जो भी मैं सीखा हूँ आई एम गिविंग इट टू द पीपल, but is there something that you yourself have realized, okay, this is something that I am trying to put from my end or like from my side in the sessions?
In the sessions, see, I can't say I use one particular approach and all that.
Yeah,
So many are there, and I use a big blend of it. So I will
Right.
call that my own approach.
Yeah. Why
It's a Elijah
Elijah
cocktail.
Koshy's
Elijah
theories.
cocktail of therapy,
Yeah,
theories,
therapy.
whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I use a lot of things like that. And there was one thing in particular I will say that, a lot of times I was told that me being a man, women will find it difficult to connect with a male therapist. And that has been the furthest from the truth till now in my practice, because I have noticed time and time again it's the female clients that relate and connect with
No
me
doubt.
the most.
No
Like,
doubt. No
they
doubt.
feel more comfortable with me than they may have felt with a female
female
therapist,
client.
because some of them have gone through therapy before
Yeah.
and they've said they've had horrible experiences, and most of the therapists have been female because men to are less only. So even they come with that doubt ki, will I connect with a man, as a therapist? But in the course of the sessions, they realize that no, this guy is so, let's forget the gender, but like as a therapist, he's very good.
Like, does he what?
That I don't know if they think.
Just kidding, guys. Like, जो तेरे को पहले ही इसमें एपिसोड में कैंसिल नहीं होना. But the thing is, जैसे तूने बताया ना कि आई फील द सेम ब्रो कि ठीक है आते हैं, लाइक आई गॉट बोथ द जेंडर्स कमिंग टू माय
Yeah.
लाइक फॉर मी व्हेन आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. पर जैसे तूने बताया ना कि आई पर्सनली फील कि इवन द प्लेस वेयर आई एम वर्किंग एज अ कंसल्टेंट साइकोलॉजिस्ट, I've got a lot of female this thing
Yeah.
clients, I would say,
Hmm.
and genuinely they felt that ki they have that connect, and most of the time they have this perspective ki we need a man opinion, like a male opinion towards
Hmm.
something. वो बात अलग है कि we don't give.
Yeah, we don't give.
भाई जान चली जाएगी पर मैं जो ओपिनियन और सोल्यूशन नहीं देगा.
नहीं.
So वो एक बात अलग ही है, but I felt that कि the way they would have this thing ki like throughout the practice, when they would understand ki it's them who is going to find out things for them which is right, or like whatever it is जो उनके लिए सही है गलत है वो उनको
Yeah.
पता चलेगा throughout the practice.
Exactly.
And जैसे तूने बताया कि through different therapy एक blend करके हम लोग we saw at that point also, Elijah, I personally feel कि लाइक कहीं ना कहीं पे मुझे ऐसा पहले लगता था कि नहीं लाइक I'll practice a lot of Freud. I'll practice a lot of Freud in my practice, but नहीं eventually अभी के जो किस्से अभी के जो मसले हैं वो बहुत अलग हो गया, and people don't have time. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं उनको बोलूँगा कि एक सेशन में पूरा ठीक करके भेज दूंगा या ऐसा कुछ. ठीक तुम्हें होना है और तुम ही खुद को ठीक करने वाले.
Exactly.
We are just here. We are
Yeah,
just
yeah,
here.
yeah.
बट जो है ना मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अभी के लिए द थिंग्स दैट हैव बीन वर्किंग आउट अ लॉट फॉर मी इज इंडिविजुअल थेरेपी, एडलर वाला. सेकंड इज a lot of behavioral perspective, mostly CBT and REBT. थोड़ा सा कभी कभी अगर if I see a sum of personality factors which are related to borderline वगैरह, so I might go with DBT थोड़ा बहुत.
Okay.
So it's mostly a blend that I'm saying. And I personally try to have this thing ki I keep again depends on the person, but at least like after 2 or 3 sessions, if I see the client is more comfortable, I would try to push some humor into the practice. I feel more or less awareness and acceptance is the first step.
Yeah.
When it comes to healing.
Yeah.
Or any process, any fucking process. So humor is something, or maybe any sort of practice that you like. Mostly humor ही बताऊंगा मैं कि it helps you accept the fact. किसी को लगेगा कि it might make the person thick skin, but वो थोड़ा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है लाइक कि लाइक फॉर एन एग्जांपल कि to take it in, again it's very subjective. The tolerance level matters.
Yeah.
And like बहुत subjective है वो, but like कि मैंने देखा है कि most of them are not open to the slightest of criticism bro. थोड़ा भी नहीं. So I feel that कि ये थोड़ा जो accept करने वाला जो part है ना वो भी बहुत important role play कर सकता है in this today's world. क्योंकि अभी तू इंटरनेट देख ले जहाँ वहाँ पे people are on like on a whole different set of humor. भाई तू कुछ भी डालेगा तो उसके ऊपर they'll fucking have a comeback bro. One or the other way. We see it on the internet as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the thing, and I guess are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
We good?
Yeah, I think this is
yeah,
good for our
Like
introduction,
intros.
intro, and men in the
Yeah,
field of
Psychology. That's it. So thank you.
Thank you, guys.